Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Small Sips of Freedom. If you're new here, my name is Tando and I'm your host for this channel. And on this episode, we'll be talking about credit insurance. So with everything that's happening now, with people getting retrenched and people being in no work, no pay situations, a lot of people are asking themselves how they're actually going to be meeting their debt obligations, debt payment obligations this month and the next few months. And banks have been coming out talking about how you can take a payment holiday and how they're making this facility available to people so that you can get a break from your debt repayments for that time. But there are other tools that you can actually be utilizing, i.e. credit insurance. So in this episode, we'll be talking about what credit insurance is exactly and the 3 different types of credit insurance and how they apply in different situations. And at the end, I'll share a little small heads up from me in terms of who can and cannot actually apply for credit insurance. So let's get into it. So there are different types of credit insurance, but in general, credit insurance is insurance that you buy or purchase when you take out lines of credit or you take out debt. And what it's meant to do is to kick in should you be unable to make payments towards that debt. And as I said, there's different types of credit insurance. So there's 3 types. You have credit life insurance, credit unemployment insurance, as well as credit disability insurance. And these kick in under different circumstances and cover you for different reasons. So with credit unemployment insurance, it covers you should you become unemployed or should you lose your job. Really important thing to note with credit unemployment insurance is that it does not cover you should you resign voluntarily from your job. Disability insurance, and this is insurance that specifically kicks in should you become disabled temporarily or permanently. So if you become temporarily disabled, your credit insurance in general pays the minimum payments towards your debts for that period when you are temporarily disabled. If you become permanently disabled, what it does in general is that it pays off your debts entirely. And then lastly, you also have credit life insurance. With credit life insurance, it covers you should you pass away. And you might be sitting there asking yourself why you would care or need your debts to be paid off if you did, like you already did. So what's the point? Well, the point here is, for example, if you were to buy a house or you have bought a house and you own a home but you have not paid off your bond, should you pass away, if you have life credit insurance, which is usually sold together with your home loan together with your home loan or together with your bond. And what it'll do is it will kick in and pay off your entire home. That way, if you have children or if you have family members who stand to benefit from having or owning that home, credit life insurance would really help in that situation. So fees, the same rule that applies with savings, that applies with investing, also applies with insurance. You have to try and get your fees as low as possible. So with that being said, different providers will have different fees. So some may charge a percentage of the balance, some may charge a set fee based on the amount that is owed, and so on. So definitely check with your provider what fees they're charging you, check if there's actually fair fees, and also note that even if you were, for example, had a bond with FMB, it doesn't mean that your credit insurance has to be with FMB. So that's the one thing that you really need to keep in mind in case you find that maybe your fees are not what you thought they were, or you just figure out that you actually are paying way too much in fees. So you do have options in terms of moving your credit insurance provider. So an interesting thing about credit insurance in South Africa is that you can't get it if you are a foreign resident living in South Africa. I tried to get it back in 2018 and I was told I can't get credit insurance because I'm a foreign resident. If this has changed, please let me know down in the comments below if you've been able to actually get credit insurance. But as far as I know, you can't get credit insurance if you are a foreigner. But I really hope this video actually helps you to maybe understand what credit insurance is a little bit better and how it works and how you can actually benefit from having credit insurance in place. Be sure to leave your comments with your thoughts, give this video a like, subscribe if you like this content, and be sure to share it with a friend. And until I see you on my next video, just bye for now.